goodness! Grabe! It's so beautiful! Guys, going here, pababa, ang lawak. Grabe, oh. Wow! Wow! Bababa tayo, guys, ha. Kala ko kasi wala nang dulo, eh. Meron pa pala dito.
Cambugahay Falls, most famous for its tiered levels, strikingly blue water, and freshwater cascades, all of which are surrounded by lush rainforests located in the south coast of Siquijor near the town of Lazi.
So from there, guys, ang lawak niyan ba tayo kasi meron pa ditong next level. Yan. Dadaan tayo dito. Ang lawak dito, guys. Ganda ng falls. There. There. Merong swing dun, oh. Doon, magsiswing. Magsiswing sila. Wow!
Hello guys! You might be wondering, ang dami ko namang na-enjoy na tourist spots in Siquijor in just one day. Posible naman po yun mga guys, lalo na kung meron tayong dalang sasakyan. It would be a lot easier to go from one place to another. And finally guys, our last stop was at Cambugahay Falls since sasakay pa kami niya ng ferry boat pabalik before 6 p.m. Short stop lang kami dito and I thought the falls was just another ordinary scene to see. Good thing my 3-year-old son Ethan forced me to go down the cemented stair at 135 steps. Oo, ang haba ng hagdanan nila, my gosh. Pero cemented siya guys, pero kutas gid siya, kutas. And when we saw it, sabay talaga kami ni baby Ethan na pasabi ng wow. Watch out, ang dami lang talagang lamok guys. Pero as in, wow na wow talaga. Na-mesmerize ako sa ganda at charm ng falls na to. The water was very refreshing and cold. 3 falls ang nakita ko doon para mga hagdan. Meron pa silang rope swing to enjoy that big splash. I love it. Pero nang tapos na kami at paakyat na sa hagdanan, hingal inabot namin kaya wag kayong magdala ng maraming mga dalahin doon.